I am Principal, Asaba Arts and Science College, Valangulam. Here I am giving you an important notice to all students of the institution about the measures the Asaba College has taken against ragging. Ragging is a offendable crime that a student, a senior student, or any student who intensely hurt another student, either senior or junior, physically or mentally, on the ground of any reason, including creed, caste, color, religion, linguistic aspects, regional aspects, on the day of birth, or any other aspect. This is a very offendable and action inviting deed from the part of the student, and AICTE and UGC have taken stringent measures via certain regulations against these violent incidents taking place in the higher education institution. Our college has also taken certain steps to curb the menace of the ragging in our college. We have formed an anti-ragging committee and an anti-ragging squad to prevent the ragging incidents in our college. Besides that, we give a wide awareness program. We conduct awareness program to all students of the institution regarding the law and regarding the law created by legislation against the ragging in our Kerala, and also we give awareness to students on the regulations of the UGC and the AICTE. And if any such incidents are reported in our college, we take immediate actions, reporting the same through an FIR to the police on the incident, and we conduct an inquiry immediately on the incident happened. If a complaint is received in our college to the head of the institution, we formulate a committee or commission to inquire into the incidents, and based on the report we take actions. And in order to prevent such incidents, we have also placed certain posters on the wall of the college in the important premises of the college on the punishment that the students may have to face on involving such malignant incidents. Ragging, as a result of measures of such measures, the incidents of such complaints have been shortened, and all our students now, as a principal, informing you that our college will take stringent action against those who involve in any such act, any physical or mental torture or look, any of such kind, if it happens to a student of the institution and such incidents has been reported, stringent actions will be taken against the culprit. So all students of the college are hereby informed and requested that any student should not involve in such incident. Such incidents, if it happens, and on inquiry, if such incident has been proved to be happen, stringent actions will be taken that may involve registering a case against him in the police, and he may be lead to expulsion from the college, or he may have to take a fine not exceeding 10,000 rupees, or he may fail to get admission in another institution, and that may seriously affect the future of the student. So all students of the college are informed that nobody should engage in any act of violence against the junior or a senior student. Thank you.